Hi guys, this is Hans Gogia from Install or Not. So you might have heard of the new lock screen, which is currently available in US, UK, and Canada. It's called Cover. It's developed by ex Google developers, and we now will give you a short demo of the lock screen. There's a Google group on the web which has the APK available directly from the developers. The APK is regularly updated with the updates. It is the group has been specially designed, especially made for the people who want to try cover lock screen. They have, but it's not available on the Google Play Store in the country. Similarly, we have downloaded it from the unsupported country APK package. So let's get out to the lock screen here. So this is the LG2 with me. We have installed the APK on this device. I'll just flip on the cover. As you could see, this is the lock screen here. This is the cover lock screen. Basically, it's a simple minimal lock screen with icons on the left edge. Slide anywhere to unlock, not specifically on this region. You could slide this way to unlock as well, or this way, wherever you want. So it's simple lock screen here. As you tap, you could see the different locations. So as per you move out from your home or work area, or when you're driving, the lock screen changes according to the location, that is by GPS or mobile data or Wi-Fi. It detects through that location modules, and it adjusts to the and gives you the icons according to the application's icon according to your area. So these are the different options, as you can see: home, work, car, out, wallpaper, settings. So I'll move out to settings here. Yeah, so as you could see, I have enabled use cover lock screen, home and work address as I have entered on my Google Now. Car, taps it to set up car mode settings. So it's Bluetooth based detection, movement based detection, and a ringer mode choice for your car when you are driving. So it's Bluetooth based detection, so it will regularly monitor that you are moving, and it will adjust that you have been driving. Tap to set ringer preference when you're out. So this is the difference. App switching tray, I'll show you the app switching tray. Currently has been set to left. You can set it to right as well and change the sign of that. Share, follow, nothing else. So yeah, this is the Aviate launcher. So the app switcher is this. You would swipe down from the right edge and you could get the app switcher with icons coming up, and you could directly open up the lock screen as well when switching to the from right to left. So you could get the lock screen there. So this is pretty minimal, simplistic, and very good, to be honest. We really like the combo of cover lock screen with the Aviate launcher, as both of them are minimal and provides the best user experience according to me. I have installed this on the LG2 Aviate and cover lock screen. I've been truly enjoying the combination. The rest everything comes the same. So that's all in the cover demo. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for such more videos. Support cover by following them and knowing when they are available in your country. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching.